Our Digging Deeper team has been examining for months the number of COVID-19 cases at long-term care facilities, uncovering inconsistencies in the transparency of nursing homes, transparency that would show where, when, and how many infections happen. We do know tonight from new data released from the State Department of Health that nearly half of COVID-19 related deaths in Indiana are at long-term care facilities.
And our Caitlin Kendall is at Life Care Center, where our investigation all began, digging deeper into those new numbers tonight.
This is a reported of one of the first nursing home outbreaks in Fort Wayne. Now, with just over 2,000 COVID-19 deaths in the state, 945 of those are at long-term care facilities like the one behind me. The federal government is now releasing data for all facilities across the country. But we found some inconsistencies in the numbers, at least in Indiana.
Early April, Life Care Center reporting a COVID-19 outbreak. The first ABC 21 reported at a long-term care facility in Northeast Indiana. At the time, 6 people inside testing positive. Thursday, the federal government releasing new data showing 25 total infections and 13 COVID-19 deaths. Our Digging Deeper team went searching for answers, trying to pinpoint the number of cases at long-term care facilities in our viewing area. Despite the federal agency's decision to publish confirmed COVID-19 information, including cases and deaths at long-term care facilities, many county governments didn't feel that data was appropriate to share. We asked everyone in our region for that information. Only Wells County provided what we requested. Steuben, Noble, Allen, Huntington, Adams, and Jay counties told us they wouldn't share that information with us. And LaGrange, DeKalb, Whitley, Kosciuszko, and Wabash County health officials didn't respond to our request.
I think that's wrong. I think there's a better way. People fear what they don't know. People need more clarity to this information so that residents can effectively deal and make the best decisions for their families.
Andy Eby, the co-owner of Bickford Senior Living, spoke with us back in April. His properties were among the first long-term care facilities in Northeast Indiana to publish the data, and did so on their own. We wanted his reaction to the new figures released by the federal government.
Yeah, I'd say for me, I think it's a great thing for the industry, for the communities that we serve.
The federal government releasing the data Thursday with hopes to increase transparency. But our closer look turned up several discrepancies. The number of COVID-19 cases at facilities we already had the numbers for were inconsistent with the federal data. American Senior Communities has been publishing COVID-19 cases on their facilities' websites for more than 2 weeks. For example, on Bethlehem Woods' website, they're reporting a total of 84 COVID-19 cases, 23 resident deaths, 39 recovered residents, 21 recovered employees, and 1 active case. But over on the federal website, those numbers are nowhere to be found. The data on the CMS website shows there is only 2 COVID-19 cases at Bethlehem Woods, an incomplete data set. But other long-term care facilities on the site do have complete data, like Life Care Center.
Do you think, even though there is a bunch of missing information and this is inaccurate data, do you think that it's still a step in the right direction?
Absolutely. It's absolutely a step in the right direction, because you gotta make movements towards transparency. You gotta make movements towards data and reporting accuracy. And unless that information is not out there, we can't say we believe that information is incorrect.
Eby says he still believes transparency needs to be embraced by everyone. We will continue to follow this investigation and press for answers to get accurate data of all long-term care facilities in Northeast Indiana. Reporting from Life Care Center, Caitlin Kendall, ABC 21.